everyone. So today I'll be reviewing the Expression Box. Expression Box is one of those subscription boxes that almost every month you see like you are really satisfied, and also the price is one of the cheaper side. For this month, for this month for April, it is 300 something, 350 plus shipping 60, something like that. So it is a total of 410 rupees. So yeah, and but this subscription box, this expression box I got last Wednesday, but I could not make a video. But one good point is, in this time period I got to use these products, and not every one of them, but still, so I can give you a better review of these products. Just one thing I have not used, and that is okay. So the products in this box this month, I'm really happy. So the first product I would say is actually, it is a group of products. So these are soaps. These are mini soaps from Earthy Touch. These are handcrafted natural glycerin soaps. Okay, so I really like these soaps. You know why? I have not used it, as you can see. What I like about these soaps is that they are of different, flavor, or you can say in different variants. But yeah, the smell is not that strong, or not even very mild. It is neutral, like not very strong. So what I like about these soaps is that they are very handy if you're going out for, say, a couple of days or something. You can take one or two according to your longevity of the trip. So these are in the flavors strawberry. Actually, each one of these is for 60 rupees, but yeah, in the box it is always beneficial. So yeah, this one is strawberry variant. This one is a green apple variant. I'll tell you which one is my favorite. This is the mixed fruit variant. This one is my favorite. And this is a lime variant. Okay, I don't like citrus smells that much. I really don't. But it's okay. They are freshening, but I don't like. It's not. This video is not about my likings, but I'll review these products. The next product is this. Oh my god! These are nails cleansing tissue. No, nail cleansing tissue. These will go for 3 years. From now means yeah, okay, expiry on 2020, so like 2 years. Yeah, these will be used in like 3 months. So yeah, okay. So what I like about this is, its smell is amazing. It's very strong. See, so these are like, we have all used these, and we always require more. So yeah, I like it. LB Next, LE Next Girl is the company. So yeah, that's the second product. But there is no MRP written over here. I don't know why. At least on the soaps the MRP was written, but not on this. So the next product which I really like is this. This is the Velvet Matte Ultra Smooth Matte Liquid Lipstick. It weighs to 6 grams. It is, yeah. So I have another one of this matte lipstick. Well, not from Velvet Matte, but I have it from Matte Me. Yeah, it is very similar. Actually, this glass is frosted. That glass is not frosted, and I like that also. I'll show you someday. But yeah, yeah. So this, what I like about this is, this is all obviously matte. So what you have to do is, before applying, this, you will have to apply a thick layer of petroleum jelly or anything like that, of that sort. So you'll have to apply that. Then you'll have to apply this. What I would suggest is, see on the brush now, you cannot see any liquid, right? But when it comes out, there is liquid. So what I suggest is, take out that liquid and then apply the remaining from the brush, because if you apply directly like that, you won't get the proper color which you want. Like, if you don't take the liquid at first and then apply, and then you could build your color, whichever color you want. And yeah, so I like this, and this is in the shade blood red. Okay, so I like this. That's the third and this is also full size product. What I like about these subscription boxes is you get a lot in very small amount, and I really like this, this lipstick. The next thing, let me show you one second. Let me just, I was going to do this before the video, but I just forgot, sorry. Actually, I don't have the skills of editing. Also, I don't have any software. So yeah, this is the next thing. I really like this. I wore this maybe 4 or 5 times from the day it came. I even wear this at home also, because I really like it. It's so delicate, and I have got the white color, and that's why it looks even more delicate. I really like this. Oh, I really like this. Yeah, so these are the earrings, and these are not very big as well. They are like very well designed and everything. So I really like these earrings. Okay, so next thing, I didn't choose this color. I just chose color of this lipstick. Okay, so yeah, I just chose that color. This color they gave me randomly, and this color as well they gave me randomly, because I was in a hurry to buy this box, so I just forgot to tell them about my shade and whatever color I want. So I really forgot, but I'm really happy with this. And this, I don't know, I wore this like 2 times, and they are okay. Like, I don't have any any good experience, or not even bad, but no drastic experience, but it's okay. Yeah, I like these. Let me show you how they, and the back side is actually of good quality as well. It's not very tight, it won't hurt your ear, or neither is it very loose. So yeah, I'm going to look like a clown after wearing this one earring in one ear and the other in another. Okay, so see, these are good, but the difficult part with this is you'll have to be very good in styling yourself. Only then this will stand out. But for this, you can wear this with almost anything, and it will look good, go with the full attire. But this is very tricky to style. You can wear this with denims, it will look really good, but I don't have that many denims. I just have jeans and all. I don't have that much of denim, but this will look very good. I'm planning to buy denims soon, so I'll wear this. Okay, let's shoot the video like this only. Okay, so the next thing, so these are the 2 earrings, and the next thing, the thing for which I ordered this box is this is a beauty blender. You can see it is coming out of the box. It is when it came, it was fitting in the box, but now it is not. Why? Because it is wet, because I did my makeup twice, yesterday and today. So that is why after, like, the correct way to use beauty blenders is to first soak them in water, then take out all the water from them, and then use to blend. But after they soak water, they become big, in size. Otherwise it was like this much. but now it is this much. So it grew almost 1/4. So yeah, and you know what, I was expecting a teardrop shape, and I did not tell them my preferences, but this I got randomly a pink one in this shape, but I'm really happy. I think I'm really happy more with this shape than I would have been with that teardrop shape. This is my first beauty blender ever, but still I'm very comfortable with this, and it really blends my makeup really well. Obviously I'll have to be more precise with my skills, only then this will be used like to its fullest power. So yeah, I really like it. I'll make more videos about how to see this box is empty now, and I can use this for storing my things. So yeah, I'll be making a lot more videos. I have many topics to share with you all. So yeah, and if you want to know anything, like anything related to beauty, lifestyle, anything, my makeup techniques, yeah, I know the lighting is not very good because it's 6 p.m. now here in Mumbai. So yeah, the lighting is not very good, and yeah, so if you have any video ideas, you can tell me. If you but please subscribe to my channel, because very useful stuff is coming soon, and I'll be making one more unboxing video this week itself. I'll try to record it because there's a lot of stuff going on in my house. Otherwise I would have opened this box last week when it came, but now I'm doing it like 7 days after it came. So I'll try to record the next box, which is super amazing. I'm really waiting for the box. I'll review it very soon, and there are amazing products in that box as well. I'm really happy with this box as well, don't get me wrong. So yeah, if you please subscribe to my channel, because very useful stuff is coming, and it will help you a lot. Okay, so yeah, bye.